Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So another day of quarantine, another day of boredom. We're super bored here, but luckily today we're going riding. Got my bike in back. Ian's over there unloading his bike. We're gonna go catch up with Mark. He's already out there ripping his new 2019 KX. So hopefully we'll get some good footage of that in this video. I'm gonna hop right into some GoPro here, but first I wanted to let you know this is my backup GoPro. It's in mint condition. I barely used it, and I'm gonna be giving it away once we hit 5K subscribers. We're about halfway there, so make sure you subscribe right now if you're not already. We could hit 5,000 in a week, seeing as we get more than 5,000 unique viewers a week. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe, and there'll be more info on how to win this once we hit 5K. But for now, I'm gonna strap on my GoPro and go do some exploring. All right, guys, so we're gonna make the journey to the second pit. You guys have seen it in a couple videos, and every time we hate going there just because of the mud, but we're bored of everything else, so we're gonna try and make it there and hopefully not get too muddy. Like a nice deep clean and getting super muddy super quick.
that was nice of these faggots. What the fuck?
They're probably butt hurt. Alright guys, we made it out here. Second pit, it's so sick. I wish it was a little easier to get here. I'm gonna hopefully play some GoPro for you guys of me ripping it, and hopefully I'll have Ian getting some third person for us. Someone dug a hole in one of our berms, so Ian's filling it in. And he's throwing all their trash in there. They did leave a bunch of trash. I don't mind the hole, but it's not cool to leave trash. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these clips coming my way. I probably look pretty slow, but hopefully you guys enjoy. I can't even talk.
I believe it. Dude, it sucks out here. Sand sucks.
Up and down these hills is tough.
I hate sand. I used to love sand, now I hate it. It's starting to rain.
Yo guys, so my outro didn't save for some reason. I'm having some issues with my camera. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. That second pit is pretty sick. It's just kind of a pain to get to. But hopefully we'll be making some more videos from there soon. As well, hopefully this coronavirus situation is over pretty soon because I really want to hit some tracks. Well, other than that, like I said earlier, I'll be giving this away once we hit 5K subscribers. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. Drop a comment down below of what you thought about this video. Just smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.